Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
3 militants were killed in an encounter in Srinagar on Thursday. Now, one woman also died in the exchange of fire, and one officer of the CRPF received injuries. Now, this encounter took place early in the morning. Security forces say they had an input about the presence of militants in that area. The area was cordoned off, an operation was started, and that really triggered the gunfight. And at the end of the encounter, 3 militants were killed. DG Jammu and Kashmir Dilbag Singh held a press conference in Srinagar in which he said that 16 militants have been killed in 7 different operations in Srinagar so far this year. This also included top Hizbul Mujahideen commander Junaid Sahrai. Now, he said that about the woman Kausar Riaz, who was killed in the encounter. He said that her death is unfortunate, and he expresses sympathy with the family of the deceased. But after the encounter got over, there were clashes between the people in that locality and the security forces.
ऑपरेशन बटमालू के एरिया में श्रीनगर सिटी में हुआ, जिसमें 3 दहशतगर्द मारे गए। दुख की बात यह है कि हम लोग जब ऑपरेशन लॉन्च ही कर रहे थे सुबह, वेरी अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, कुछ 3 बजे के आसपास, उसी वक्त हमारी पार्टी फायर के नीचे आई और अनफॉर्चुनेटली उस फायर के दौरान एक हमारे डिप्टी कमांडेंट सीआरपी की तरफ से, जो सीआरपी टीम को केओटी को लीड कर रहे थे, उनको गोलियां लगी, जख्मी हैं, बेस हॉस्पिटल में हैं। और साथ ही एक महिला कौंसर रियाज जो उस वक्त उसी स्पॉट पे थी, उसको भी एक्सचेंज ऑफ फायर के दौरान गोली लगी और अनफॉर्चुनेटली उसकी डेथ भी हो गई।
Now, the DGP says that security forces have launched 72 operations in this year so far, in which 177 militants have been killed, 12 of them in the Jammu region. He says that Pakistan is directly involved in fomenting militancy in Kashmir, and it's trying to revive militant outfits like Al Badr and float new militant outfits. He also said that 20 persons who had gone to join the militant ranks have shunned violence, and they have joined back their families. So clearly we've seen encounters taking place in Srinagar.
तो अभी तक 72 ऑपरेशन इस साल के अंदर हम लोग कर चुके हैं, जिसमें 177 दहशतगर्द अभी तक मारे गए हैं, जिसमें 12 दहशतगर्द जम्मू के खिते में मारे गए और 165 जहां पर मारे गए। इसमें काफ़ी बड़ी तादाद फॉरेन टेररिस्ट की है, जिनका ताल्लुक पाकिस्तान से है। इनमें 22 टेररिस्ट जो हैं वो अभी तक जो मारे गए हैं वो पाकिस्तान से जुड़े हुए फॉरेन टेररिस्ट हैं। इससे ये भी साफ जाहिर होता है कि पाकिस्तान की इन्वॉल्वमेंट दहशतगर्दी कार्रवाइयों में डायरेक्ट कितनी ज़्यादा है। ख़ासतौर पे जैश और लश्कर के बीच में जो आतंकी काम करते हैं, दहशतगर्द काम करते हैं, उसमें काफ़ी बड़ी तादाद जो है पाकिस्तान से भेजे हुए उनके अपने दहशतगर्दों की है।
Earlier there were more encounters happening in South Kashmir. Of course, now after every few days, after a month or so, we see encounter taking place in Srinagar also, the capital, which was said to be more or less militancy free. So clearly that's the situation on the ground. An encounter that took place in Srinagar on Thursday, in which 3 militants were killed and a woman also died in the exchange of fire. In Srinagar, Zafar Iqbal.